Riley, have you done your work or not? Show me your homework now.
Yes, I have done my work. Before you check my homework, I have a question for you.
Sure, you can ask me any question. Don't feel hesitate, okay?
Thanks. In my today's homework, I became stuck.
Why? What was the homework? Can you repeat that for me?
Sure, Mom. It was the use of get. All the uses of get?
Yes. Now I can recall it. What difficulties did you face?
There are different uses of get, which made me confused. I know only one or two uses, not more than that.
Oh, I see. It's very normal, my dear. Sometimes it becomes complicated.
But why should I know all the use of get? Is it important for my English?
Of course. It's very important to learn. I can tell you the reason. Get is a common verb in English. In many sentences, we use it. Understanding its different meanings and usages can greatly enhance one's language skills and communication abilities. Learners can effectively express themselves.
Really? I couldn't imagine that. It is so helpful and useful. Please, Mom, teach me the uses of it.
Why not? I am always here to assist you with my best. Let's start. I will tell you 5 examples for each to understand the meaning properly. I will tell a total of 8 ways to use get.
Sure, ma'am. I am quite excited to learn it.
The first use of get is to obtain or gain, to receive, to buy. The first use of get is to obtain or gain, to receive, to buy. Let's see some examples. I need to get a new laptop for my studies. He got a ticket to the concert from his friend. She got a promotion at work, which came with a pay raise. I need to get some money from the bank. The second number use of get, to take. The second number use of get, to take, emphasizes the action of taking possession or receiving something. Emphasizes the action of taking possession or receiving something. She gets the bus to work every day. She can't get an auto after midnight. Let's go and get her now. I can get you from the airport. She got some advice from her mentor. He got a book from the library. Third number use of get a, to receive something that is given or sent to you. Third number use of get a, to receive something that is given or sent to you. Examples. Did you get my message yesterday? She got an expensive car on her birthday from her parents. I hope they must have got the parcel by now. He got a scholarship for his academic achievements. I got the phone number of that company. 4-number use of get to buy used to express the action of buying or purchasing something. Used to express the action of buying or purchasing something. Examples. I need to get some vegetables from the market. May I go and get some ice cream for you? We must get fresh fruits from the market. Can you get some milk from the shop? Did he get a new car from his company? 5th number use of get, to become, used to express a change of state or situation. Examples. Don't get angry. Wear a jacket or you'll get cold. In the UK, it gets dark at 5 p.m. After going for a run, I get really hungry. Why, he gets angry quickly. It's getting hotter. Please turn on the app. You can get better at English if you practice regularly. 6. Number use of get, to arrive, express the action of arriving at a particular place or destination. Example. They got home at 5 p.m. from the mall. What do you think? What time will they get here? We got to the airport just in time for our flight. I will get there in 10 minutes. I will get there in 10 minutes. 7-number use of get e, to understand. Express the action of understanding. Example, I didn't get a single word he said. I got your point, what you want to say. She explained the concept multiple times until I got it. I finally got the meaning of that difficult math problem. Are you getting me or not? Or I am not getting you. 8-number use of get to get something done or happen. Examples. You should get your hair cut. It's really long. I need to get my laptop repaired. He gets his car washed. I'll get your coat cleaned if you like. We are getting the renovate this summer.
Wow, amazing, Mom. I can't thank you enough. I am clear on that topic.
You are most welcome.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.